Lenovo ThinkVision T34w-30 review. Ever wondered why this curved monitor redefines productivity? Ever felt like juggling between multiple monitors is slowing you down instead of speeding you up? Drop an idea if that sounds like your daily grind. Switching tabs, resizing windows, fighting screen clutter, it's exhausting. Imagine if one immersive, ultra-wide display could replace all that noise and actually help you focus. Curious how it works? Let's dive in. Think about those long nights wrestling with deadlines, cramped spreadsheets, and scattered workflows across mismatched screens. The stress builds, the eyes strain, and your energy drains. Now picture a curved monitor that actually bends your workspace toward you, expands your vision, and reduces fatigue. Imagine reclaiming both your time and your comfort, without adding more chaos to your desk. Meet the Lenovo ThinkVision T34w-30, a 34-inch ultra-wide curved LED monitor built to turn multitasking into mastery. With a crisp 3440 by 1440 UW-QHD resolution and 21:9 aspect ratio, it delivers about 33% more space than standard QHD screens. The 1500R curve pulls you in, making every corner of the display feel natural. One developer shared, "I can keep my IDE, documentation, and testing tools side by side. No more tab chaos." Its volt-amps panel with 3000:1 contrast ratio produces deep blacks and vibrant colors, covering 99% sRGB, perfect for coders, analysts, and creatives alike. Integrated USB-C with 100-watt power delivery offers a single-cable solution for video, data, and laptop charging. A built-in pop-up webcam with privacy shutter makes video calls effortless and secure. Ergonomic adjustments, tilt, swivel, and height keep your posture happy. Bonus tip: activate its split-screen mode to run dual virtual monitors without bezels. This isn't just a monitor. It's a workflow revolution waiting to unfold. Why are experts, influencers, and users buzzing about the ThinkVision T34w-30? Industry analysts say it nails the sweet spot. The 3440 by 1440 resolution gives clarity and space without the GPU strain of 4K. Influencers love its docking ability. That 100-watt USB-C turns it into a workstation hub. My laptop, peripherals, and power all flow through one cable. Experts in coding and finance rave about the ultra-wide real estate. 3 full windows open side by side with no bezels. It's transformative. Users echo this enthusiasm. "I replaced 2 monitors, and it feels cleaner, brighter, and way less stressful." iComfort certifications, anti-glare coating, and TUV low blue light tech keep long sessions sustainable, while its ergonomic stand and 1500 are curve-reduced strain. Even the built-in webcam gets praise. Finally, a camera I trust, privacy shutter included. Which feature would save you the most time? USB-C docking, immersive curve, or multi-window split? Comment below. Whether coding, editing, analyzing, or video conferencing, this monitor is designed to streamline tasks, sharpen focus, and make work feel lighter. Don't just dream of smoother workflows. Upgrade now with the Lenovo ThinkVision T34w-30. Thousands of pros already replaced dual monitors with this all-in-one curved display. Stock won't last forever. Click today to unlock a workspace with 34 inches of crisp UW-QHD clarity, a built-in webcam, ergonomic design, and USB-C simplicity. Bonus tip: activate smart power to save energy while staying productive. Don't just watch. Jump in, transform your desk, and feel the difference instantly.